Alright guys, here's the new Road King. So I traded off the FXRT style Electra glide that we built. So that was an 04 model, and I think 48,000 miles, 48.5. And the 5-speed, this is the 2007 model Road King, and it's the 96 cubic inch, where that one was an 88. This one also has the 6-speed trans, which is super nice, and it's got cruise control, which is kind of weird to get used to, but it's pretty sweet. And it's only got 16,000 miles. Check this out. Freaking awesome. This thing is a super nice bike. It's almost immaculate, like it's just almost perfect. Couple of things here and there I'm gonna clean up and work on. I remembered as soon as I got at home, well, I don't like black bikes with lots of chrome because they're beautiful until you ride them. So you got a little bit misty, and then you got a little bit dirty on the way home. So I'm actually gonna clean it up right now and polish it even more. All right, there it is. Got it all washed up and then polished the chrome. The guy I got it from was from South Carolina, so it had a little bit like saltiness on there. If you've ever been to taking something to Florida or something like that, you know what I'm talking about. But man, it polished up really nice. Looks really good. Then I went in and polished the paint, and that looks pretty dang good. So, pretty happy with that. I mean, this thing is super nice. Looks really good. Here's the products I used. Patterson Car Care, David Patterson, that dude in blue. Car wash, really good stuff. Brake Dust Pro is awesome at eating up all kinds of crap on motorcycles. And Color Restore from McGuire's, and the Eagle One Never Dull. So all of these things are great. The Patterson Car Care stuff we have on our website at HiRevzGarage.com. You can pick that up, and this stuff does amazing.
Time to get out and play. AMSOIL delivers the ultimate protection for your vehicles and equipment. Fast, free shipping right to your door. Spend $100 and shipping is on us. Order now at AMSOIL.com.
Right, guys, don't forget you can get $25 off of ceramic coating, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King, by putting HiRevz 25 in at checkout at AvalonKing.com.